We're out here in Mesa, Arizona. We're at Danny and Lillian's home, and they have a 7-kilowatt system on their roof. And one of the questions we get asked a lot is, what type of maintenance do I need to do on my solar panels once they're installed? Well, it's pretty simple. We ask that you make sure there's no debris, palm leaves, anything big that is laying on top of the panels or interfering with any direct sunlight to the panels. The other thing is we want to keep dust, dirt, bird residue, anything else off your panels. And here's a good rule of thumb. If it rains, it's going to clean the panels for you. If not, about every 2, 3, maybe 4 months, 3 or 4 months out, take your hose, spray it up in the air, pretend like it's raining, and get that dust off it. It'll clean off it naturally. So these panels here were installed about 3 years ago. And if you take a look at them, you can tell that they've got a little film of dirt on it. In fact, if I can rub it off there for you, you may be able to see a little bit of dirt coming off it. I'm going to show you real quick at 5 o'clock at night what type of production we're getting out of this system. And they're not the cleanest in the world, but we're still producing really well.